I'm Guglielmo Arnulfo and welcome to Acciuga, and I would like to invite you to taste my completely new tasting menu. So for today the amuse-bouche, it's a tuna tartare, red tuna tartare with a little bit of flavor from Mediterranean, so very easy, and Ligurian extra virgin olive oil to knock over the perfect taste of the tuna. A cream of Genoese focaccia that is slightly different from all the other kind of focaccia, with salted anchovies. And the last one, more bruschetta with a scorpion fish just pan-fried to result the flavor of the fresh fish and just the perfection of the great product. The first antipasto was gelo. Gelo today was basically made with a granita of salmon. We take fresh tomatoes, a little bit of water, the eggs of salmon, the flavor, and we put all to frozen. Then we crunch it very smooth with the pacojet to make a very hairy, a very smooth granita, not the classic granita, something that you put in your mouth and you get melted immediately on the tongue, and is with a small pasta fritta, a fried linguina, just to give to this plate the crunchy consistency and to give the complexity of the what it was in original, a pasta with salmon and tomato. So a classic dishes reinvented in the texture and in the flavors. Then the second antipasto is tonno. Is a small candy of tuna cooked with on two sides with a gel of lemon, then put inside a small edible bags with a little bit of secret touch to make it freezing. Il primo is a deviazione di risotto scura. It's a flaky risotto, black fake risotto. We use a secret ingredient as a main ingredient for this recipe that we cook like a risotto, that we cook it with fresh prawns, a demi-glace of licorice, and a little bit of zest of orange to create the complexity of the flavor, the intensity of the licorice, and the freshness of the orange to mix a complete round on the main ingredient and make it perfect on the texture and on the flavor and on the longness of the flavor. The reproduction of the life in the reef. We have the potato, it became rocks. We have saffron, who became the coral. We have the scorpion fish with the lime to take out the fat of the fish in your mouth, but cook it in a in a quite complex way in the oven. Then we have the fresh prawns, raw, because the prawns is so perfect. Why to cook it if you have a great product? And the scallops, slightly cooked with a little bit of butter and Ligurian olive oil, just to give it a little bit of consistency. And at the end, as a dessert, stracciatella e menta is something that I decided to not create a complex dessert, as all the menu is complex on your eyes, but in the taste is really simple and clear. I decided to give a complete break with a dessert, something that you can come back at home. You make a trip, you go around the world, you go in the sea, you go down in the sea, and at the end you come back at home and you find comfortable with a very easy dessert. It's a cream with of chocolate and mint, something that clean your mouth with the mint after all this flavor, and makes you easy just before to go home. My idea of cuisine is simple and easy, and in the same way is complex. I mean, I'm growing up with two main chefs and restaurants. The first one, it was for me is the most important chef is Eduardo Ferreira, that teach me and give me not only the basis of this work, but the idea of what is the high level of cuisine and the high cuisine and the molecular cuisine. For mix the real molecular cuisine, you must discover every ingredient and know everything about that ingredient, and to take out from there the best taste, a better texture, or everything. It's what you want from that dishes. Second experience that it was very important for me was with Claudio Pasquarelli in Ristorante da Claudio. That is simply the most traditional and easy restaurant that probably exists in the world. It's only fish, only simple fish, steamed, cooked in the pan and in the oven. But if you have a great ingredient, the only thing that you must do is not put it in the rubbish, to not make mistakes, and preserve the quality of the product that you have. If I from mixing these two ideas, I create my style of cuisine. If you are on rush, you need to give. You can't go in a restaurant. But if you want to eat and not simply put some food in your mouth, if you want to eat, you must give the time to prepare it to be perfect. If you want to come and taste the revolution of the Italian food, come to Acciuga in 343 Kensington High Street. Come, taste, experience, and understand what is the real Italian food.